Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Medea and this is part of my free yacht stewardess course. When I started, I couldn't afford the pricey training, so I built this course myself and now I'm sharing it with you for free. If you want today's notes and the printable checklist, the link to my Telegram is in the description. Today you'll learn Daypacks by scenario, how to build grab and go kits for beach days, tender runs, toys and more. A Daypack is prepped labeled kit, usually an insulated cooler plus a dry bag tailored to a specific plan. Done right, it's silent service in a bag, the right drinks, the right snacks, the right safety, and no mess left behind. Start with the golden rules that apply to every pack. Personalize first. Match the preference list, allergies, likes, temperature, and glass vs no glass. Label clearly with guest names, destination, allergen codes like GF, DF, NF, plus date and time out. Segregate allergens, separate boxes and tongs, color bands, and never top up safe food from mixed trays. Keep cold items cold and hot items hot. Pre-chill coolers and drinks, aim for roughly 2:1 ice to contents ratio by volume and fill voids. Pick in, pack out. Bring waste totes and leave no trays. Default to no glass ashore. Use stainless or Triton. Obey the 2-hour rule for perishables unless continuously kept cold, railroad or discard safely. Finally, document what left, who carried it, special items, and time out back, then restock. Build the core kit the same way each time. Bags and containers, a pre-chilled insulated cooler with ice blocks or cubes, a small dry bag for phones and wallets with waterproof pouches, bento-style food boxes with tight lids and leak-proof dressing pots, reusable bottles or flasks for still, sparkling, hot, cold, and a cut-resistant mini board with a short bar knife if that's legal and within SOP. Service and hygiene. Reusable stainless or Titan cups, paper straws, napkins and micro hand towels, sanitizing wipes, tissues, hand gel, Reef safe sunscreen per preference, and lip balm. Waste set with 3 small liners, general, recycling, food, plus zip ties, a mini first aid with plasters, antiseptic wipes, sting relief, and a burn gel sachet, and small tools like a bottle opener or a corkscrew if allowed, a bit of gaffer tape, and zip ties. Hydration and energy. Baseline per adult for 3-4 hour in heat will be 1.5 liters of water, 1 or 2 electrolyte sachets, 1 soft drink or juice, and 1 savory plus 1 sweet snack that's allergen safe. Keep heavy cold items low and centered. Keep a light top layer for quick access to napkins, cups, and wipes. Use a packing order and map so you can find things fast. Bottom layer, ice blocks, then heavy bottles, then deli boxes, middle, cans and soft fruit tubes, then the cutlery roll. Top will be napkins, cups, wipes, and small dressing pots in a shallow tray. In the side pocket or dry bag, radio phones, room key, sunscreen, first aid, waist liners, and mini gaffer. On the outside tag, write the road, return ETA, allergen icons, and the pantry radio contact. Coordinate before you leave. Brief deck on pickup and return point, tender capacity, shade or sitting, life jacket sizes for adults and children, and any toys requested. Use clean radio calls like deck, pantry, Daypack for beach, F4 packs, no nuts, drinks only, no glass, ready in 5, over, and to the chief. Chef, pantry confirmed, 2 GF rubs and 2 fruit cups for beach A, over. Now Follow that scenario playbooks. A. Scenario will be beach picnic. Shade and swim 3-4 hours. You need to pack waters to preference, coconut water or electrolytes, and 1 soft per person. Add chilled fruit cups with forks, crudités with hummus. Do 2 dips if diets are mixed, plus wraps or sandwiches labeled for GF or veg, and a nuts-free trail mix only if it's safe. If unsure, keep that treat like cookies or squares in a separate box for non-frequent guests. And towels, 1 per person plus 1 spare, a light blanket, sunscreen, and an after sun sachet. Keep no glass, stainless tumblers, and if post allows, wine in cans or in a tumbler with a screw cap sleeve. Take a waste pack and a small brush and pan for sand crumbs. Optional extras can be a chill speaker if permitted, playing cards, and a wet bag for swimsuits. Scenario B will be toy session. Swim platform, 1-2 hours, high turnover. You may need canned waters and sodas only, no glass plus electrolyte sachets. Easy grab snacks like banana bread slices and seal bars. For the safety extras, jellyfish stink relief, extra towels, chafe tape for boards, and lens cloths. Keep the coolers open side facing the deck team and top up ice between runs. Scenario C, snorkel reef stop. You need to add defog or baby shampoo, spear masks, and snorkels from deck. Reef safe sunscreen only, vinegar or sting spray, and a small foil emergency blanket. Keep food light and no greasy like fruit batch sticks wraps, and avoid crumbly pastries. No glass and lanyard or clip-in, everything on the boat. Scenario number D will be hike, coastal walk. Pack 1.5-2 liters water per person, and electrolytes. Add protein snacks like jerky or cheese if allowed, nuts-free granola bars, and travel though fruit like apples or clementines. Comfort items, caps, insect repellent, a blister kit with moleskin, light ponchos, and a map pin on the phone. For waste, take lightweight roll liners and remember pack in, pack out. Now scenario E, for the city shopping shuttle, you can give room temperature still in slim bottles and 1 sparkling per pair, comfort kit, a power bank and cables, lens wipes, mini umbrella, hand gel, and stain wipe. For discretion, use no logo bags when privacy is requested. Scenario F, kids beach box, small waters or juice boxes with straws, frozen squeeze yogurts if allowed. Food is cut fruit with no choking hazards, mini sandwiches with no nuts, and simple cookies. Extras can be sun hats, rush vests per family, a mesh bag of sand toys, face wipes, and a small first aid with children's plasters. For the safety, child life jackets from deck, name tags on cups, and an allergy card taped inside the lid. Next scenario will be VIP Sundowner Set for the sunset hours. For the drinks, Prep batch signature in a vacuum flask, chilled white or rosé and sleeves, and a non-alcoholic spirits kit. For the service, stainless flutes or cups, a garnish box with a citrus peels and olives, and an ice bucket with a lid. For the snacks can be crudités and dip, olives, and crisp bread. Default to nut free unless otherwise requested. And for the aesthetic touches can be linen, cocktail napkins, a tea light in a windproof holder if allowed, and a mini waste bag clip under the tray. For the fishing run scenario, waters and electrolytes plus a thermos of coffee at down, breakfast rolls, fruit, and sealed bars. Add wet wipes, strong paper towels, lemon wedges, and spare zip bags, and no glass. Coordinate with DAC on base station setup and raw fish separation, and keep a separate waste bag. Now for cold weather or whale watch. Thermos, hot chocolate, or tea plus still water. For the comfort can be fleece, blankets, hand warmers, lip balm, and tissues. Food is compact, high energy, and not drippy. No glass. Use lidded mugs only. Now, scenario about rain plan or uncertain weather. You need to add compact ponchos, upgrade the dry bag, include microfiber towels, and pack extra liners for wet waste. Food should be sealed, nothing that goes soggy fast. Now for the spa and wellness scenario, I sure infused waters like cucumber mint and herbal tea flask. Food is fruit and light nuts only if safe, otherwise a seed mix. For the comfort, hair ties, face mist, gentle wipes, and sandal bags. Memorize the quantities, quick guide, and adjust for climate and duration. About water, it can be about half liter per person per hour in heat with a minimum of 1 liter on any outing. Electrolyte, 1 sachet per 1-2 hours of activity. Softs can be 1 can per person for a 3-4 hour trip. For food, 1 light box around 250 350 grams plus 1 fruit per person for 3-4 hours. Towels, 1 per person plus 1 spare per 4. Control allergens and diets with small habits that makes a big difference. Build separate boxes for allergic guests and label with name plus NF, DF, GF, and color band their tongues. Don't snare dips if any severe allergy. Portion individual pods. Wipe gloves and boards and use new utensils for allergen-free prep. Watch the bar traps. Orgeat, it's almond, cream liqueurs, it's dairy, bitters with gluten traces, and garnishes like pistachio dust, swap, or amit. Mind the legal and safety notes that often trip people up. No alcohol ashore where it's prohibited. Check with the agent. Carry a knife or corkscrew only if legal and per SOP. Pack it deep and out of sight. Confirm drone and permit rules before packing drone gear. Life jackets must be the correct sizes. Deck loads them and interior confirms the count with a deck lead. For medication, only the guest's own meds, like an EpiPen, may go with them. Don't stock or dispense unless authorized by SOP. Follow a clean departure, on-site, and return workflow. So, departure, 10-15 minutes. Read the plan and preferences, confirm head count and timing, build the pack or packs, label, check weigh and balance, log the time out, and radio deck to coordinate the tender and carry out. On site, keep the cooler shaded and closed, rotate services so the cold stays buried, track perishable time, and retire items past 2 hours without proper code, and manage waste into 3 bags while wiping hands and tools often. To return, log the time in, count back the gear, bin waste correctly, sanitize boxes and cooler, refreeze blocks, and restock up to par. Update notes with the hits and misses, and any allergy near misses, notify the chiefs too. Use the checklists to standardize. Universal Daypack build will be label names, allergens, road, and time. Pre-chilled cooler with about 2-to-1 ice, waters and electrolytes, softs or any option per guest, labeled bento boxes with dips separate, cups, utensils, napkins and wipes, sunscreen, hand gel, and lip balm. First aid mini with sting relief, waste strip pack with zip ties, dry bag foam pouch and keys, tools like opener, if allowed, gaffer, zip ties, and towels or a blanket per scenario. For the return or reset, waste sorted and logged, Boxes washed and sanitized, cooler dried open, ice packs refrozen, drinks restocked to par, favorites and changes noted, and preference sheet. When speaking with guests, use microscripts that keep service smooth and discreet. I've packed still and sparkling. Would you like lemon, lime, or plain? Your snacks are nut free and individual. Black dips are in the top tray. We've set stainless cups for the beach. The marina asks for no glass ashore. If you need anything changed, I can radio the yacht and update in a few minutes. Build speed with 10-15 minute drills like raise a 4-pack beach pack with no nuts in 6 minutes or less and label correctly, or pack a cooler that stands upright even when tilted 30 degrees. Then have a teammate locate items in 10 seconds using your map. Split a standard and a nut-free variant with a zero cross contact, and have an auditor check utensils and labels. Run a 2-hour timer for perishables and decide what retires and how you replace it. Now it's time to lock it in with a micro quiz. What ice? Contents radio keeps a small cooler cold longest. Name 3 items that always go in the dry bag. How do you prevent cross contact for a not allergic guest? State the 2-hour rule in one line. Where should the heaviest items sit in the cooler? Great Daypacks are personal, cold, safe, and silent. Labeled for the right people, packed for the plan, secured against heat and glass rules, and cleaned up without a trace. Build them the same way every time, and guests will feel you read their mind before they are even hungry. If this helped you, please like and subscribe, share it with someone who wants to work on yachts, and grab today's Daypack checklist in my Telegram. The link is in the description. Bye! See you on the next lesson!